So I am going to walk Frito today, and I have been informed that the bushes surrounding the air conditioners have been removed, and there you go. No more climbing behind the bushes to get to the air conditioners. There they are in all their glory. And I have no idea how many nominal tons these are. The house is like 3,300 square feet. So, and it has an unfinished basement, so that does not include the space of the finished basement. So my guess would be these are either 2 or 3 tons each, or one is 2 tons and one is 3 tons. And I believe the disconnect boxes have been replaced. But yeah, the house was built in '68, and these are original to the house. And these are, it's 2011, these are 43 years old, Jesus. And that one had the fan and fan motor replaced last year, and it also had some other work done to it. It cost a lot of money, but for what these how long these air conditioners are going to last, I'd say it's worth it. Let's see if I can find the... Oh yeah, there's the data sheet. I'll take a picture of that. That one's missing the data sheet. This one still has it. Frito. I'm going to get a few still shots of the Yorks. Got my Nikon SLR with me. Then I'm going to put that back in the truck and take Frito here for a walk. So yeah, this will make things a hell of a lot easier now that they're totally exposed. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.